Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. If you thought you knew everything about Samsung's big July 10 Unpacked event, think again. Let's explore these new details and high-resolution images that will leave you amazed. Introduction to the leaks. First up, let's talk about the leaks from Evan Blass on Substack. These new images showcase the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 in stunning detail and quality. While these aren't brand new devices, the unprecedented level of detail in these images is truly exciting. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 colors. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is revealed in 7 different colors. One standout is the beautiful pink variant. Although the shade could be more vibrant, Samsung likely chose a subtler tone to avoid any tackiness. Another option is the silver shadow hue, which might be a bit plain for some, but the navy color is designed to catch the eye of those looking for something more striking. Redesigned features. The high-resolution renders also highlight the redesigned rear-facing camera lenses on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This change, along with the sharper edges of the primary display, gives the device a boxier look compared to the curvier Z Fold 5. Whether you love or hate this new aesthetic will depend on your personal style. Speculations on specs. As for the specs, the rumored details of the Z Fold 6 seem to be quite similar to its predecessor, the Z Fold 5. While this might feel repetitive and underwhelming to some, the true value of the Z Fold 6 lies in its design and user experience improvements. Outro. That's it for today's sneak peek at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Stay tuned to Future Phone Flash for more updates on the latest mobile technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our future videos. Let us know in the comments what you think of these new designs and which color you prefer. See you next time.